Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bank of America on web browser, secure access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Bank of America website URL, www.bankofamerica.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign In button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your user ID and passcode. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your passcode in the following field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you'd like the browser to remember your user ID, check the Remember My ID box. Once completed, click the blue Sign In button. For added security, you may be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions for verification if prompted. If you forget your user ID or passcode, click on the appropriate link provided. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Congratulations, you are now logged into your Bank of America account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.